Alrighty, I'm Tim Holly, formerly of the Standard Plan section, and I'll be going over the landscape installation updates. So primarily the updates to 580.001 are just to clarify and add some more specifics to the detail. We'll start with, in the general notes, we added a note that the staking guidelines are based on standard horticultural requirements, therefore plant establishment purposes only. And why this is in there is so that it's clear that it's not a structural based bracing. If the trees require structural reinforcement, then it needs to be designed specifically for that installation. We also added, to clarify with the stakes that they're wood, we added that the stakes will be 2-inch by 2-inch minimum wood stakes. The grading for the stakes, requirements for the polypropylene straps and the guying, just to make sure that we're not getting them tied together with string. The tree planting, the stakes were redrawn to show that the junctions are above the ground. It sounded like we had some problems getting installations where those junctions were buried, trying to meet the drawing. This one, we also reordered some of these to make them flow a little better. Let's see. On sheet 2, we added that you can use screws to fasten the stakes, nails or screws, just to give some leeway. This detail A, we also added that you can use wood batten or a manufactured tree bracing system to give the contractor some options during installation. And again, here in detail B, we showed this connection being above the ground. And we also changed with the planting on the slope to a 1:3 max. And then instead of the existing soil, we changed that to the undisturbed or compacted soil. So if the soil gets disturbed, that trying to clarify that it should be recompacted to help stabilize. And then next up, we have index 591.001. This is a new index to the standard plans based on the former developmental standard plan D591-001. As you can see here, there's 3 cases shown. One, a roadway with a utility strip, the roadway without the utility strip, and then a roadway median or roundabout. And also currently out for industry review is standard specification 591 to go along with this, and that review period ends on January 2nd. So if you'd like to take a look at that, that would be good. And that's all I have for you today.
Thanks and have a great day.